never leave, she said to me. And these castles dissolve in the breeze, side compass every word you speak. And I'll turn to the wandering eyes of devices I call mine. And I've never been a knight, but I'll polish this armor and take my place by your side. Drifting through the mirrors of peace that drowns my simple ways. It eludes me every day, as all of these steps collect beneath. And I'm holding you like you're all I have to lose. Though all the glory days all seem to fade away, all these fears remain the same. A skeptic in this scene, like a mistrust in this silver screen, this atmosphere, something I fear I cannot break. Since I've only known to crash and burn, my very own flames can be the light to take me home. Let the rain caress your lips as we stare out into the grave. We'll miss this sight one day, it's closer to our eyes than we believe. And I'm holding you like you're all I have to lose. Though all the glory days all seem to fade away, all these fears remain the same. Like you're all I have to lose. Though all the glory days all seem to fade away, all these fears remain the same.